Hey y'all, so I've had a few people reach out to me about a full video of an install. So here you are. It's not quite a full video, but it is a bit longer of a clip where you can kind of see what's going on step by step. So we have her all braided down. I'm just putting the cap on now. I do use glue to secure the cap, and that's just to get a nice clean finish. And once I glue it down, I'm basically going to sew off around the perimeter. This is a 5x5 install, so we're just going to sew off the perimeter for the closure. Yeah, I'm applying the glue slightly in front of her hairline, and yeah, stay tuned. Okay, now that she's all, the cap's all sewn down, I'm just gonna clean up around her hairline a little bit, and then we're gonna go ahead and put on the wig. With the wig, I did use lace glue to secure the wig. I believe, 2 layers of glue this time. The first one came out pretty heavy. I usually do 3 rows, but this time I only did 2. So yeah, I'm just gonna go get the cap on and then go ahead and add the glue. So now I'm just securing the lace, kind of combing through the hair as I pull down on the lace. And this helps to make sure the glue doesn't get on the hair, kind of leave that clumpy, look at your hairline. So we're just going to continue to secure that lace. And then once I feel like everything is nice and secure, I'm going to go ahead and cut off the excess lace. Alright, so lace is cut. Now I'm just going back doing some cleaning up. Had a few spots that were kind of lifted, so I'm going back and adding a little bit of glue. And I'll just continue to do this until I get the nice clean secure look that I'm going for. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and start pulling out some hair for the baby hairs. And I'm not going to cut them or anything yet. I'm just going to pull out the baby hairs before wrapping the lace. Alright, now once everything is nice and clean, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it with the band. And that's just to melt that lace, give us that nice look we're looking for. And now I'm just going to go into some styling. The wig was already kind of styled, so I'm just going to go in and add some loose curls. Alright, now we have the band off, and I'm just adjusting the cap, making sure it's all the way down, and then I'm going to go in with the baby hairs. I'll go ahead and apologize. You won't be able to see much from me doing the baby hairs. My arm is in the way the whole time, but I promise to upload another video in the future to show how, yeah, to do simple baby hairs. Baby hairs, that sounds funny. Alright, so this is the finished look. Came out super cute. It's given what lace. Yeah, and this is from my collection, of course, She Cute Wigs. Hit me up if you want to get this unit. Thanks for watching. Hopefully